This says intention to retire or something about acai forest. I'm not sure where I'm going, but I'm following these pink ribbons. Oh, there's another one over there. I think I see a ribbon over there. Through the little bamboo. Another big ribbon. Okay, people haven't been here for years. And this is the last one, and it's, I don't know, it's a stone. So I've came to the top of this hill, and I'm in the middle of nowhere, and there's a red ribbons leading to it, and yeah, very nice. I'm a bit lost, as usual. Time to walk back home. Head back, thought I'd have a little coffee. One of these are like donuts, but they've got cream inside and obviously a bit of chocolate. Very nice. Yep. I prefer the eclairs, but these are okay. A classic.